Okay, I'm going to open my copy of Pro 2019, Home Designer Pro 2019. I worked on your file earlier and made a video of it, but the sound didn't work. So, oh well. I thought what I would show you, I downloaded your plan. Thanks for sharing it. And of course, I I couldn't get this little gadget here to work. I'm just going to delete it. I moved it around inboard, outboard, couldn't get it to work. Now this, let me show you. I did manually. And of course the video was showing me doing it manually. And I think this is probably what you wanted to end up with, right? And sometimes my point here in making this video is sometimes the automatic tools just don't work. And you have to just step in. And I manually drew these two roof planes and manually tied them in to this shed roof on either side. You can see I had to, because of the pitch that you picked here, it goes a little bit above here, so I had to manually edit those up here. See, I squared that. They're not true triangles. I've got them stopping just short of the wall above. And what I wanted to communicate to you is that sometimes the software is really great, but it's not perfect. And sometimes it doesn't work automatically. Automatic is kind of a misnomer because nothing's automatic in this software. You pre-set up, and you did a great job on these roofs here, getting all the gables to come in and so forth. This one didn't come in, so I put it in manually. And I just drew a roof plan. I drew a couple of CAD lines, two-dimensional CAD lines on either side of the door. And then I drew the baselines of these roof planes on those CAD lines so that it would line up on the door. And then I adjusted the roof planes to match the main roof plane that was already there, this one here. And then I put a doorway here the same width as the door and centered it on the door so that the posts would come out kind of symmetric with the front door. It looks like it needs a little adjustment. I put it right on the CAD lines, but I'm going to take this and use the centering tool and center it on the front door. It looks like this one needs to move over a little bit. I'm going to just manually pull it over. See, when you put a doorway in like that, it gives you control over the post. I don't know why that doesn't look symmetric, but maybe I should look at this. Yeah, I should probably look at this in an elevation camera instead of an isometric camera. We delete this one. And we'll do an elevation camera. That'd be the only way you could truly see. Okay. See, in the isometric camera, it looked like it was out of whack. You just take that, and click on the doorway, and move it, snap it back to the line. Go back to the elevation camera and see if now it looks symmetric. Yeah, okay. And I changed the spacing on this wall here. I'm going to double click to open it. Go over to newels and balusters. I changed the spacing to this, ridiculously high figure to eliminate this post that was generating right here. To me, it didn't make any sense. So the doorway gives you control over the posts, and then the spacing can reduce or increase the number of posts as you wish. So I'm sorry I didn't get the video of me actually doing this step by step by step, but I thought I would go ahead and show it to you anyway, because lots of times you're going to come across something that doesn't work exactly right, and you have to just step in and manually make it happen. Okay. Thanks for watching. That's it.